for DJ Raqi's Secret Files. Ayaw sa'kin ng pamilya ng taong mahal ko. Dahil single mom ako. Itago niyo ako sa pangalang K. And this is my secret file. Minahal ko ang isang taong hindi kayang ipaglaban ng isang katulad ko. Our relationship is nothing but a wrong one in the first place. At least, that's what he always say. That's what he always say. Meaning, siya lang ang nag-iisip nun. Hindi ako kasi ang mindset ko dati is never naging mali ang magmahal. But I guess you would agree after listening to this. My girlfriend siya eh. And I am a single mom. Hindi pa kami totally split ng father ng anak ko nung naging kami. So I came to the point when I needed to choose. At oo, hindi ko pinili ang tatay ng anak ko. The only stupid justification I had for that decision was ayokong mabuhay ng malungkot. We were together in this secret relationship for 18 months. And within that time frame, I knew and I felt that we love each other and every bit of it is masaya lang. So hindi ako nawalan ng pag-asa na just like what I did, ako rin ang pipiliin niya eventually. I thought his other relationship would be the biggest challenge. Pero hindi. The hardest and most challenging ay ayaw ng pamilya niya sa akin. Ayaw sa akin ng pamilya ng taong mahal ko dahil single mom ako. Dilemma of a single mom. They belong to a religion which I can say medyo strict. And maybe made his family a conservative one. Sabi nga nila, walang sikretong hindi nabubunyag. And that gave me the first heartbreak. Hindi nila ako gusto dahil I am raising a child outside marriage. At ang iniisip nila, pinagkakaperahan ko lang ang anak nila. May kaya kasi sila. I won't argue on the first one because there is nothing for me to argue. I love my kids so much that there's no single thing that I would make me regret having him. To rebut the second reason, I am a degree holder and I'm earning much more than what their son is earning. So yung pinagkakaperahan mindset is just an accusation based on zero facts. So yung first heartbreak, ayun na. But it is nothing compared to the second one. He did not choose me. Hindi niya ako pinili. May health issue ang mama niya. So he doesn't want to stress her out. The rest of his family ayaw talaga sa akin. Kasi nga may anak ako. So having me would result to nothing but a complication and would taint his relationship with them. And my girlfriend siya eh. May girlfriend siya na kung yun yung pipiliin niya, there would be no issue. Wala nang magiging problema pa. Now I realized na hindi dahil sa pinaglaban mo ang isang tao, ay ipaglalaban ka rin niya. Family is family. And a battle involving them is a battle not meant to be won. Besides, mali ko rin naman. I gambled in a relationship na mali na in the very first place. I gambled myself to be a third party, hoping I would win in the end. I gambled myself to be happy. I gambled myself to be controlled by my heart. I gambled myself being called tanga by my friends. I gambled myself by making it believe that this one is finally the one. And just like gambling, mas malaki ang talo kesa sa panalo. I won't justify the mistake kasi kahit gaano pa katotoo ang love, it doesn't change the fact na mali talaga ang foundation. Mali ang simula. Itong klase ng storya ko, sa teleserye lang to may happy ending eh. Ngayon, when I look at the consequences I am into, I could say this is the karma of the decision I made. I caused pain to someone by choosing him. So someone caused me pain by not choosing me. Again, ako si Kay. And this is my secret file.
Always your number one SM radio station. Love Radio.
Hello, kabisyo! Uy, gusto mo pa ba ng mas marami pang Secret File episodes? Ang gagawin mo lang, mag-subscribe ka na sa aming YouTube channel. It's Love Radio Manila. At pindutin mo na or i-click mo na ang notification bell para updated ka na sa aming mga latest video. Raqi Terra po, mula sa 90.7 Love Radio. Mwah!